Hey guys, it's Melissa from Creative Frugal Fun, and this video is a little bit different because I'm normally talking about recipes and life and Dollar Tree and those kinds of things. But I know there are people out there that may be struggling or thinking about selling their home or purchasing a home if the interest rates go down and they didn't take advantage of things a few years ago. Now, I am a real estate broker and I have connections all across the US with top agents that are trustworthy that could help you. So I am in Utah, but like I said, I have connections nationwide, and I would love to connect you with a realtor that could be of help to you if you're looking to do that. Don't go it alone. There's a lot of people out there that only do it part time. They maybe only have done a couple of deals. They don't necessarily know what's going on, or they're just in it for the commission. And I do all of the screening free of charge for you and connect you with an amazing agent wherever you are so that you can have a positive experience when you're buying or selling. And if you're in Utah, I actually offer a service right now where we go through and we establish a relationship, and then I go in and ask for a lower commission to help you get a lower price on the home. So I would love to help you with that too. Anyways, if you're interested in that, you can reach out to me. My email address for my brokerage is virtualrealestatehelper@gmail.com, and I will put that down below. If you do reach out to me, please include where you are and also a phone number so I can call you and find out what you're looking for and make sure that we get you matched to the right person. Again, all free of charge, just wanting to help you and get you settled in an amazing home. So until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.